Accident relief trains. These are special purpose trains equipped with relief and restoration equipment like re-railing equipment, BD cranes, etc. These are stationed at strategic locations on Indian Railway for accident relief and restoration. Classification of ART. ARTs are classified into A, B and C. Class A consists of hydraulic re-railing equipment HRE plus BD crane. Class B consists of HRE only. Class C consists of mechanical tool van. BGA class ARTs on SCR. Locations and type of equipment. SC Lucas HRE plus Cowan's new 140T crane. Kajipet Lucas HRE Cowan's World 140T crane. BZA Lucas HRE SPART plus Cowan's World 140T crane. GY Bemco HRE plus Cowan's World 140T crane. PIU MFD HRE plus 140T Gottwald crane. BG B class ARTs on SCR. SC MFD HRE in SPART Kajipet MFD HRE in SPART. BPA Lucas HRE RJY Lucas HRE BTTR Lucas HRE GTL Lucas HRE RU Lucas HRE DMM Bemco HRE GNT Lucas HRE NZB MFB HRE. MG A class ARTs on SCR. AK Lucas HRE plus 35T steam crane. Class C ARTs are not available on BG and MG systems. Class B ARTs are not available on MG systems. Medical relief vans. These are also called as accident relief medical vans, MRV or ARMV. These are consist of one medical van with operation theatre and other emergency medical facilities. Second, auxiliary mechanical van consists of hydraulic rescue device HRD, electrical rescue device and other mechanical tools required for rescue. Classification and locations. ARMVs are classified into Scale 1 and 2. Scale 1 being mobile and Scale 2 is stationary provided in the stations. Scale 1 locations SC, SP, ARMV, KZA, BZA, RJY, BTTR, GTL, RU, DMM, PAU, AK, NZB. Beats of ARTs and ARMVs. ARTs. As per Acharya's committee's report, the beat for BGART shall be 250 to 300 kilometers. For MGART shall be 150 to 200 kilometers. ARMVs. As per high level committee's report on disaster management and on golden hour concept, beat for MRV shall be distance covered by ARMV in 1 hour. HREs. Types Lucas, MFD, Bemco. First two are imported Germany and BMCO is Indian make. Basic equipment and functions is same in all types. Important items in HRE. Number 1 hydraulic power pack. Number 2 control stand. Number 3 hydraulic jogs different capacities. Traversing unit, re-railing bridges, tickling jogs, hydraulic hoses, hand pump and other auxiliary tools. HRDs types BAHCO Sweden, Lucas Germany and Halmatro Netherlands. All the above are imported and Bosch being old design is planned for replacement. Design is of the all the above is similar but later designs are more efficient and having certain additional items in the equipment. We have BAHCO 9 Lucas 2 Halmatro HRDs and 11 ARMVs. HRDs equipment in ARMVs hydraulic rescue tools, hydraulic power pack, cutter, spreader, combi tool, Electrical rescue tools: saber saw, tree, tree panning tool, jigsaw, nibbler, airbags. Types of BD cranes: 140T, diesel hydraulic 4, Cowans Sheldon Wold, Jessop 3, Cowans Sheldon New, upgraded 1, Gottwald 1, 35T steam, coal-fired cranes MG 1. Ordering ART, ARMV, BD crane during accident. Ordering during passenger train accident. Number 1. ARMVs from both directions of accident site shall be ordered, irrespective of division zone in which accident occurred. Number 2. Similarly, ART bar BD crane from both directions shall be ordered depending on the requirement. Goose train accident involving human life. Nearest ARMVs irrespective of division shall be ordered. Goods train accidents continued. Accident affecting mainline running. ART from both directions shall be ordered. Depending on necessity, BD crane shall be ordered. As far as possible, ART's crane within the division shall be ordered without prejudice to ordering ARTs from other divisions and zones. Accidents not affecting through running of trains. ART BD cranes of particular division shall be ordered. Siren codes. Number 1. When accident takes place in the loco shed or traffic yard adjoining the loco shed. Too long. When accident takes place at outstation but main lane is clear. 3 long. When accident takes place at outstation but main lane is clear, the ART is to be turned out with medical van. 3 long, 1 short. When accident takes place at outstation and main lane is blocked and the ART is to be turned out without medical van. 4 long. When accident takes place at outstation and main lane is blocked and the ART is to be turned out with medical van. 4 long, 1 short. ART RMV turning out time. ART during day 30 minutes, during night 45 minutes, that is 18 hours to 6 hours. ARMV during day and night, direct dispatch 15 minutes, indirect dispatch 20 minutes. Railway rescue cranes. Railway rescue cranes or BD cranes are provided on Class A ARTs. As already explained, we have 140T diesel hydraulic cranes, 35T steam MG cranes. Cowans Sheldon old design. Relieving bogie of Cowans Wood. Cowans Sheldon new design. Gottwald new design. These are different parts of crane. This is different parts of crane: superstructure, undercarriage frame, undercarriage, counterweights. This is counterweights A, B and C. A 22,610 kgs, B 6735 kgs, C 760 kgs. This is A frame, superstructure, driver's cabin, hydraulic cylinder for propping, outrigger extension, outrigger, 6M propping, 6M propping, 12M propping, load charts, parabolic leaf spring, bogie. Description: number of vehicles in running order: crane with 2 3-axle bogies, match truck with 2 axle bogies. Overall length 27,967 mm. Length of crane over buffers 13,000 mm. Length of match truck over buffers 14,967 mm. Width of crane 3,200 mm. Width of match truck 3,000 mm. Maximum height of crane from RL 4,160 mm. Overall weight 200 T. Axle load in running 20 T. Tail radius 5.5 mm, 6 m. Counterweight. Counterweight is lifted and locked on superstructure. STD duty 29.345 T, that is 22 plus 610 plus 6.735. Heavy duty 37.245 T in the 22.610 plus 6.735 plus 7.9 special duty, 22.610 T on undercarriage and 6735 T locked at superstructure. Outriggers type numbers swigging out 4. Propping base 6M, 5M, 3.4M. Derrick type of construction box section rectangular length 6.3 m. Suspension crane parabolic leaf springs coil springs leaf springs 6 number, dampers 4 numbers, safe load indicator, Ascroll, France, hooks, main 140T, auxiliary 25T, hauling winch capacity 10T, lifting beam capacity 2 numbers 140T, 70T, wheel diameter that is crane match truck, new one 915 mm, match truck 1000 mm, condemning crane 813 mm, 906 mm, match truck. Range of lift above rail level MH 13m, AH 17.8, below rail level MH 4m, 4m, AH 3m. Indications available on SLI: working radius, lifted load at hook, maximum load, boom angle, boom head, height, sleeving angle, propping, zone showing, percentage load condition, chassis gradient, super elevation, override, counterweight. Working radius maximum main host 17m, auxiliary host 16m, minimum 5.5m, 7.0 auxiliary host. These are the images cranes lifting loco. Old and new Gottwald cranes. Gottwald new design. Operation of 140T cranes. Familiarize with crane. Planning for restoration. Planning on ordering of ART. Planning on reaching the accident spot. Setting up the crane for working with the crane. Familiarize with the crane. All the staff including crane supervisor and operator shall now familiarize operating systems, load charts, safety fittings, precautions, working rules. Planning on ordering of ART. Basing on the first information received, staff availability, staff can be distributed for various jobs to be attended at accident spot, and they can be apprised of the nature of accident. Small tools, packing and other items which are common in use for any restoration can be kept ready for unloading from the coaches. Direction of the JIB of the crane shall be trailing towards accident spot. Duties of senior most official by training during accident. Ensure protection of traffic and assistance to guard and driver. Ensure the reporting of accident to nearest station and control. Note down the time of accident. Collect staff, volunteers, form them into different groups and assign work. Roughly assess the casualty and extent of damage. Ensure the issue of detailed messages with the following information: time and date of accident, location, kilometer between stations, nature of accident, number of dead, injured, extent of damage, assistance required. Primary cause of accident, condition of the adjoining line if any, whether OHE is involved, maintain the log of events till the site manager takes over, continue be in charge of the site. On reaching the accident spot, collect the details and the plan of restoration from the official arrived before the crane. Examine the topography of the accident site. Examine the condition of the rolling stock involved in the accident. Examine the loads to be tackled. Examine the conditions of soil for safety of the crane on propping and working. Examine the additional loads coming onto the first vehicle to be tackled. Entanglements. Examine the condition of undercarriage trolleys. Decide up on the restoration plan, that is whether to re-rail or ground. Decide up on the first vehicle to be tackled. Decide up on the slings to be used basing on the loads to be tackled. Decide up on the place of grounding the rolling stock. Decide up on the correct place for propping the crane. Decide upon the sliding points on the rolling stock. Estimate the probable time of restoration, particularly from mechanical department point. If necessary, ask for additional cranes. Setting up the crane for working. A series of operations are required for initial setting up of the crane for actual restoration work. These are different for each type of crane. Staff nominated for this job shall know the sequence of operations. Carry out the operations which can be carried out simultaneously, thereby saving the time in total restoration. Setting up the crane shall be at a location from which more number of rolling stock can be tackled with a single prop. Propping shall be depending on the loads to be lifted. All safety precautions as investigated by the manufacturer are followed. Working with the crane. When crane is fully set up for tackling the load, staff nominated are in their positions, crane jib and crane slewed to the correct position. Slinging is done at proper location depending on the condition and load of the rolling stock to be tackled. Alert all the staff of all the departments and all onlookers before actual lifting of the load. Lift the load just above the ground level, hold the load and check for the condition of props and entanglements from other rolling stock. If required, re-prop by releasing the load. When lifted, also check for the undercarriage condition. If required, release the trolleys. Check slew area is clear. Confirm adjoining running lines are blocked for train movement before slew. Lift the load to the minimum height required and slew the load to the place of grounding. Avoid jerk while slew. Ground the load properly so that it is not fouling to running lines and shall not slip off from the ground later. This is maximum capacities of 140T diesel hydraulic BD cranes and comparison of lifting capacities in tons with main HOST. Crane set fully propped at 6M prop base and heavy duty configuration. This is comparison of crane set fully propped at 6M prop base and stand duty configuration. This is table shows crane set fully propped at 6M prop base and no counterweight configuration. This is power pack diesel, power pack petrol, control stand for power pack GC3, Lucas hydraulic hand pump, Lucas hydraulic jogs, Lucas hydraulic jogs, Lucas hydraulic roller carriage with hook, Lucas hydraulic puller, inflammable airbags, air compressors and regulator and airbags, ELGI air compressor for airbags, regulator and gauges, 132T airbag without air, 132T airbag with air, 68 mm height, 1M gas cutter with 10M hose pipe, 2M length gas cutter with hose pipe, passenger rescue device, rescue platform structure base and the canvas arrangement, dimensions of compress sheet. First one, length 6 feet, width 4 feet, thickness 12 mm. Dimensions of canvas, length 5.5 into 3.5 feet with one end self and belt locking arrangement, height 3 feet. This is the image of ART equipments, self-propelled accident relief train, power pack, MFD control stand, MFD hand pump, MFD jogs, hydraulic re-railing jogs, MRV equipment, self-propelled medical relief van 100 kmph, power pack, 2 drums of 10M long hose pipe with quick coupling on both ends, develop maximum 400 bar, hand pump develop 300 bar, spreader 2 feet length, cutter 50 mm, Lucas power pack, Lucas cutter, Lucas spreader cum cutter, spreader cutter, Lucas additional spreader, Lucas hydraulic hand pump, portable electrical generator set, extension wire box with 100 mm wire, saw cutter electrical, rotatory drill electrical, rotatory drill M-bar-C electrical, 5 mm dia drill bit, 50 mm dia round drill bit, nibbler electrical, maximum 3.5 mm, jigsaw electrical, breathing apparatus, underwater cutting equipment, oxy fuel cutter, 5 liter cap tank fills with petrol, maximum PR develops 200 bar connects to the one end of the gas cutter and the other end connects to oxygen cylinder, Halmatro HRD equipment, cutter and spreader, hose pipes, hydraulic rod cutter, hand pump, rod cutter, hydraulic rod cutter. These are different images showing how to cut the bogies while accident. This is also same images. This is the wagon derailment. These are the images, different accidents images. Thank you.